Right guys, welcome back to another video. Now, in today's video, we've got a special video because today we're going to be installing a Whiteline rear anti-roll bar onto my Ibiza 1.9 TDI 6L. The kit I've got here is actually second hand, so the actual bar itself could do with a respray, but I just don't have the time for that at the moment. I just don't. But regardless, I've got a wee clean up, I've painted the brackets and all that good stuff. We've got everything we need here to install it straight onto the car. So I'll quickly show you what we have here and we'll get to installing it. Right, here we have the anti-roll bar. Now, like I said, it is used, it's got some surface rust on it. It could do with another paint if I'm honest, but yeah, again, don't have time for that at the moment. Again, the brackets a wee clean up and a paint, and it's got the polyurethane bushes in there as well. We've got the extended bolts for the shock absorbers at the bottom. We've got bolts, the brackets, we've got everything we need. So let's go jack up the car and get this installed. And also, once we've installed it, we'll take it for a test drive as well, so I can give you guys the verdict on how good this setup is. So let's crack on. Right, so the first thing we're going to do is remove the bottom bolts for the shock absorber, both sides, so there and there. Then we will get the kind of little lead links on the sway bar bolted onto here. It goes on this side. I'll show you how to do it. Then once that's on, we can lift it up and attach it to the axles. Right, so that is the longer bolt installed. Now all we need to do now is put the drop link here onto this side of the bolt. So, and then once that's done, we'll do the other side, then bolt it onto the axle. So let's crack on. Right guys, we recap. It's been a bit of a pain in the arse if I'm honest. But we're attached to the bottom shocks at both sides, as you can see here. All I need to do is, well, once it's actually attached to the rear axle, just there, I need to put the nuts and washers on at both ends. Hey guys, that's it, finally on. Honestly, sorry, I didn't film some of that because it was an absolute fucking joke. Trying to get those stupid brackets onto the axle, and then, oh, it's just a nightmare. So, anyway, she is on now. All we need to do now is tighten up all the bolts and take it for a test drive. So, hey guys, something else I forgot to mention as well. On this anti-roll bar, it's got 3 settings of stiffness. Now, at the moment, it's set up like the medium setting, but what I'm going to do is, before I actually take it another drive, I'm going to quickly jack it up and put it onto the stiffest setting, just because I want to really. There's not a lot of room under the car to actually work on and get the camera in and about, so I do apologise if I'm not filming everything, but I will talk you through it and show you various stuff just so you know how to do it if you're doing it yourself. So I'll quickly jack up the car, put it to the stiffest setting, show you basically what it is and how it's done, and then we'll take it for a test drive. So I'll see you guys in a second. Right guys, I'll quickly show you what it looks like. So, I'm not seeing camera very well, but we've got like 3 holes now. So the one in the middle is your medium setting, and the one furthest to this side is the softest setting. So I'm going to put in the hole furthest to the right, which is the stiffest setting. So it's quite easy, you just take out that bolt and then probably just move it along. So I'm going to do that off camera and I'll be back with the camera in a minute. That's it at its stiffest setting. Now let's go and take it for a test drive and see what it's like. Right guys, so let's go and see what this rear anti-roll bar is all about. Now, the road I'm on, there's a good few roundabouts, so hopefully on these little roundabouts we'll kind of see how much difference it's actually made. Right, we got a wee roundabout here, let's see if it's made any difference. Oh yeah! Tell you, you can definitely feel like going around a roundabout just there, you can definitely feel like there's like next to no understeer at all. I mean, apart from the fact they've got really terrible tyres on the front, like there's like next to no understeer. Like what lets this car down is the tyres that are on it. They're just absolutely rubbish. In case anyone's wondering, the actual suspension setup that's on this car So this car has coilovers on it, it's got like adjustable drop links and all that kind of nonsense, you know, so, you know, it's got like the kind of full package really. I would still like to get a Whiteline anti-roll bar for the front as well as the rear. So that's something I'd probably like to see him do in the future. So I guess now the question is that anti-roll bar worth buying? Now, brand new from Whiteline, they're about £180 approximately, and even at that price, it's still a very good upgrade. I mean, honestly, I would highly recommend this modification. I mean, it makes a massive difference, honestly, like in the corners, and like, it just, the whole car feels so much more stable, and like, it really reduces understeer as well. It's right, guys, so that wraps up today's video, and if you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.